Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest login problem on Samsung. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest login problem on Samsung, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this page here you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff as you see here, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.